Hi everyone, I'm Watsu Srivastav, CTO and co-founder here at CrossGL, where we're focusing on revolutionizing your graphics for all use cases. Now, the space of graphics has been fragmented for a while, and people have made this problem go unnoticed, and that has led to several backends being developed. Um, Not just backends, actually, hardware vendors also love to introduce new graphics APIs around their hardware. So you get the frame of how fragmented the space is. A quick Google search would show you exactly what I mean. This is probably the most fragmented field in terms of APIs, documentation, and several other factors. So here at CrossGL, we realized this problem and we built a universal shader language for your use case. So right now I'm flipping through our landing page. It's crossgl.net. If you scroll underneath, you can see a quick prototype of what we built. This is a quick animation illustrating how our product works, what our product does, etc. So here are our supported backends. We have Vulkan, we have OpenGL, we have Metal, we have DirectX. You can select either one of them interactively to see what each backend does, how the code looks like, Metal, DirectX. And you can see the fragmented shader, the vertex shader in CrossGL. Now, CrossGL here represents our shader language, what we built. So you could basically go through this slide to get an understanding of how CrossGL code looks like. For those of you who have used Shader Toy, our language is pretty much similar to that because we want to build something that's unified and the community can quickly grasp onto. Now, we can translate any native shader language to CrossGL, again, which is a universal shader language, and we could do that both ways. So you could basically come to us with any Vulkan code, and we could translate that to CrossGL. But we can also take any CrossGL code and translate that to, let's say, Metal, DirectX, or Vulkan, OpenGL. And we're also building a slight tool, which I won't talk about much, but updates coming on that soon, which lets you render these different shader codes without putting any effort. Again, we only support 4 backends for now, but we do plan to add more according to the request we get. A few exciting ones are being worked internally. We're also going to, again, tease this sooner or later, but right now the product I'm going to be focusing on is the translator. So this is a demo notebook we've made to present what we've been working on. This, again, would be shared on our posts over at X, LinkedIn, so you guys could kind of interactively run through this. But I'll just be going over a high-level run through this notebook. Now, I won't be running these cells because, again, just to save the time of this quick product launch video. But essentially, this is the CrossGL shader. It'll go through explaining, this demo notebook will go through explaining what exactly CrossGL shader is, how it looks like, and how our translator works. So here you can see exactly how you can get started. You need to pip install CrossTL. CrossTL basically is a PyPy package. Its full form is Translator. Again, like I said, our main product that we've released this week is the CrossGL translator. So the package is CrossTL. All you need to do to install it is pip install CrossTL. Actually, I think I can quickly just run this for you guys just to show you how quick it is. It shouldn't take more than 20 seconds to install this. There you go. So it starts installing. Requirements already available on Colab and successfully collected, installed. And there you go. It's installed within a flick of a second. Now you could also go ahead and grab some of the test CGL code from our demos repo. Again, all of this would be linked in our release post. So if you're curious about any of these links, feel free to go to that and grab that. Now, let me just quickly also fetch this. I know I've told you guys I'm not going to run the demo, but I think I can quickly illustrate how quick this notebook is to run. Now you can also import CrossTL. Now I don't need to really explain Python. Now here's again the CrossGL source code. Test CGL. This is a very simple shader package, nothing too complex, but we can also handle for loops. We've added control flow support, which took a while, but we finally figured that out. So if you again are curious on how we're handling control flow and all these different things, feel free to look at the GitHub repository for the translator, because again, it's all open source. Then I'll let you guys, go through the demo notebook. Basically, how you do the translation, how it all works, translating this code to Metal, um, Vulkan, DirectX, and backwards compatibility as well, taking any HLSL code to CrossGL and CrossGL to HLSL. Anything is possible. Again, feel free to go through this entire list. Like I said, two-way translation from platform specific to CrossGL. And yeah, this demo notebook basically goes through the several backends we support. Now, future directions that we are working towards with the CrossGL translator is, of course, better node captures. Right now, the nodes do not expand approximately to what they should, but we are, as a team, working really hard to make that happen. So, again, keep an eye out for updates that we post on our LinkedIn and X for what the update on these several things are. And as a final note to end this video, if you have any questions, you can, of course, go to our Discord. Again, links on our posts. There is an FAQ channel for anything that you might want to ask, an announcement channel for all the updates we have, a general channel to discuss anything you might have in question that, CrossGL otherwise, intros if you want to quickly introduce yourself to our team, a showcase if you built something with CrossGL or CrossTL, feel free to go through the showcase channel and put something there. A resource channel, like you can see, I've been sharing some articles there. I welcome you guys to do that same. Off topic, we love ourselves some memes, so please feel free to go ahead and throw some memes there, graphics related or non-graphics related. Feedback, our product is still beta, so if you have any piece of feedback that you think might be useful, feel free to dump it in here. Of course, I do recommend being polite, but even harsh feedback is welcome. All things graphics, our company is doing graphics, so anything graphics related, we'd love to look through. Well, that's pretty much it for this quick introduction video. We're really excited for you guys to get started with all the products that we're going to release. Again, a bunch of new updates coming your way, so please keep an eye out for those. Again, I'm Vatsar Srivastav. I'll see you guys in the next series of videos. Bye-bye.